Hey friends, Catherine from Catherine Pooler Designs here with some exciting news. Our metallic inks are now back in stock. We released these in October and y'all got so excited about them, you sold us out in 2 days. We have finally restocked these fabulous inks and it is the perfect opportunity to give a little refresher on what makes them so awesome. So we have silver, gold, and champagne. Here I'm using a stamping platform to apply the ink in case I need more than one pass at stamping to get a solid, perfectly inked and stamped image. I tend to use the stamping platform on a larger stamp just so I make sure I get it just the way I want it. So metallic. Every time I play with them, that's what I say. Oh, these are so metallic, which is hilarious because they're metallic inks, but I have never seen a metallic ink that is so shiny and vibrant. The color is so rich and deep. These just stamp like a dream. We are just over the moon about them. So here I'm stamping on black cardstock. That metallic color is just going to pop on black or any darker color. Also works great on white cardstock as well. When you're finished with your project, we recommend spraying it with fixative to set it and seal it. This way, none of the metallic will rub off on your fingers and it will dry quicker, and it's just a better experience all around. Another great technique with these inks is direct to paper. Make sure you use a gentle hand so that you don't tear your ink pad or pull it from the base, and the coverage is smooth and very opaque. You're going to get a great look with this technique. So get ready to make some pretty incredible projects with our new metallic inks. Head over to the shop. Links will be below. And don't forget your ink refills so you're never stuck with a dry pad. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys real soon.